The Sandpearl Resort is framed by Clearwater Beach, one of the top beach destinations in the country and the beautiful intercoastal. So every room enjoys a view of the surrounding seaside or the tranquil bay waters of Mandalay. At night, guests marvel at the twinkling harbor lights and the drama of a city skyline at dusk, while lulled to sleep by the easy rhythm of the Gulf of Mexico. Guest rooms are appointed with either one king or two queen beds and an array of amenities and thoughtful details. Guest rooms enjoy luxurious linens, bathrobes, an alarm clock with iPod docking station, even a small refrigerator for added convenience. The Sandpearl is particularly proud of its junior suites, by far the most popular choice, as it provides a good balance of size to price, and these days that's very important. They may be called junior, but they sure are oversized.